African fish eagle. Hicko. American avocet. American crow. American goldfinch. American kestrel. American robin. American puffin. Atwater's prairie chicken. Australian king parrot. Australian magpie. Baby California seagull. Baby chicken chick. Baby emperor penguin. Baby mallard duckling. Baby ostrich. Baby piping plover. The bald eagle. Baltimore Oriole. Barn owl. Barn swallow. Bearded tit. Belted kingfisher. Black-crowned crane. Black-capped chickadee. Black-throated blue warbler. Black-winged stilt. Black grouse. Blue and yellow macaw. Blue-bellied roller. Blue grosbeak. Blue hen. Blue jay. Blue tit. Blue-fronted Amazon. Blue throat. Blue-winged kookaburra. Bobolink. Brown kiwi. Brown pelican. Brown thrasher. Budregar. Cactus wren. California condor. California gull. California quail. Canada goose. Canvasback. Canyon wren. Capercaillie. Carolina wren. Cedar waxwing. Cerulean warbler. Chaffinch. Chirping sparrow. Cock of the rock. Common blackbird. Common cuckoo. Common elder. Common grackle. Common loon. Common nighthawk. Common pochard. Common raven. Common redpoll. Common yellowthroat. Crimson rosella. Dark-eyed junco. Dick Sissel. Downy woodpecker. Eastern bluebird. Eastern kingbird. Eastern towhee. Eastern whipbird. Eurasian kestrel. Eurasian Kingfisher. Eurasian Nuthatch. Eurasian Oystercatcher. Eurasian Teal. Eurasian Wren. European Barn Swallow. European Bee Eater. European Bullfinch. European Goldfinch. European Greenfinch. European Robin. European Starling. Evening Grosbeak. Fairy Penguin. Female Northern Cardinal. French Hen. Gala. Goldcrest. Golden Oriole. Golden Winged Warbler. Great Blue Heron. Great Egret. Great Gray Owl. Great Horned Owl. Great Spotted Woodpecker. Great Tit. Greater Flamingo. Mark is a greater Roadrunner than Adelyn. Green Catbird. Green Woodpecker. Green Winged Teal. Gerfalcon. Hen Harrier. Hermit Thrush. The newest bird in the collection, the Hoatzin. Hooded Warbler. Hoo-poo. House Finch. House Sparrow. House Wren. Evie. Imperial Amazon. Ivory-billed Woodpecker. Keel-billed Toucan. Killdeer like Adelyn. Kirtland's Warbler. Lark Bunting. Laughing Kookabarrel. Least Turn. Lesser Kestrel. Linnet. Long-billed Curlew. Long-tailed Tit. Major Mitchell's Cockadoo. Mallard. Maui Parrotbill. Micronesian Kingfisher. Mountain Bluebird. Mourning Dove. Mute Swan. Nelson's Sharp-tailed Sparrow. Watch me, Nene. Nightingale. Northern Robert Blanco. Hey, my name's Remington and I'm Adelyn's Northern Cardinal. Tootee, 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 tootee. Northern Flicker. Northern Lapwing. Northern Mockingbird. Northern Spotted Owl. Osprey. Painted Bunting. Peregrine Falcon. Pied Avocet. Pied Butcherbird. Pileated Woodpecker. Purple finch. Purple martin. Rainbow lorikeet. Red kite. Red-eyed vireo. Red-headed woodpecker. Red-legged partridge. Red-tailed black cockatoo. Red-tailed hawk. The devil, red-winged blackbird.
I'm gonna dive bomb you and kill you.
Reed bunting. Regent Bowerbird. Rhinoceros hornbill. Rhode Island red. Ring-necked pheasant. I want to get raised by Adelyn so that I can get shot. Rock dove. Rock ptarmigan. Rose-breasted grosbeak. Ruby-throated hummingbird. Ruffed grouse. Sacred kingfisher. Scarlet macaw. Scarlet tanager. Does anyone have a scissor-tailed flycatcher? Sharp-tailed grouse.
Shell duck.
Skylark. Smith longspur. Snow bunting. Snow goose. Snowy owl. Snowy plover. Song sparrow. Song thrush. St. Vincent Amazon. Stellar's jay. Sulfur crested cockatoo. Superb fairy wren. Swamp sparrow. Tawny owl. Tree swallow. Trumpeter hornbill. Trumpeter swan. Tufted duck. Tufted titmouse. Turtle dove. Wandering albatross. Western meadowlark. Western scrub jay. Western tanager. White stork. White-breasted nuthatch. White-tailed eagle. Whooping crane. Wild turkey. Willet. Willow ptarmigan. Wood duck. Wood thrust.
Ain't you just a yellow-bellied sapsucker? Yeah, but you a yellow-rumped warbler. At least we ain't no yellow hammer.
Hope you enjoyed, Adelyn. Happy birthday.